Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we're going to be discussing my funsize project pan. I can't quite believe this. I wanted to check when I last did an update. Sorry about the fringe, I've just put brow serum through the brows. So we're checking the updates on my YouTube and it said I've not done a funsize project pan update for a year or more, which kind of sounds a little bit insane, just purely because I used to do these quite often. It said I did update 4 or update 5, not entirely sure, but I'm going to leave like the pictures that I've got of the last update and also put it into the cards up here so you can go and check it out if you want, and you can see just how far we've come since that update. But just ignore the makeup in that video, it was kind of really out there. So what I've been doing with this one, what I've been doing with this one is the Natasha Denona Mini Retro, is I've been using it with other palettes. So I'm going to talk about the progress. So there was always some progress on this one, but I really do have to struggle. So when I'm using it, I have to use it with a brush like this. I use it for in a corner, I use it for all over the lid. When I'm going in to use it all over the lid, I have been trying to use this one as well. I don't really like that shade. That's the only shade in the palette that I don't really like. I'm covering this shade because there's quite a lot of progress on it. Right, which we'll talk about now actually. So you can see that I've made quite a big dip in the pan there. Obviously the next shades I'm going to focus on are these two here. This one's got quite a big dip in it. This one's got a pretty big dip in it, but nowhere near hitting pan or anything. But I would like to see panning it all. Not necessarily even me use it all up, but definitely see pan in these two shades and this shade before I either put it back in the collection or declutter it. It is a really nice palette, but I wouldn't go out there and get it again just because I've experienced time with it, and there's better formulas out there, isn't there? So anyway, what I was talking about is sometimes I will use other palettes with that, just because to me this is the only neutral shade in there, and sometimes I want more neutral shades, so I'll go in with the Dose of Colours Pretty Cool palette. This one's really nice. Obviously there's no pans here or anything. This one isn't a pan. When I ordered it, it came smashed, so when I do go into that colour, I work on this part of it, so that maybe one day I can hit pan there. But yeah, I really excuse me, but yeah, I really like this palette, guys. And then also, if I want something a bit warmer, I've been using the Jason Wu Agave palette. And this one is really nice. And that one's really flattening, although you can't see it. This one, I'd say it's more of a dent than anything from where I use that shade as a liner shade. They're not project pan or anything like that, but I just keep them around near where I keep this palette, just because sometimes I like to use them together. And then when I use the That's Expensive palettes, or the That's Expensive palettes change every month, so I tend to go in with this shade always, and that's why I've hit so much pan. So it's why the pan's expanded in the palette. So this month I've been using 2 Pat McGrath Labs palettes. So we've got the Celestial Divinity Luxe Quad, which looks like this. I've not got the packaging to this anymore, but looks like that. I've decided to keep this one. These run kind of chopping block. And then we've got the Pat McGrath Labs Celestial Odyssey Luxe Quad in Deep Space Divinity. So that looks like that. And I really did like the bronze look I did, but I didn't much care for this look. Obviously, if I'm going to be using bronzes, I'll keep it for that. I don't know what I'm doing with this palette yet, is the answer to it. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. According to my YouTube channel, it's been over a year, and that just won't do. I need to give you more updates on the Natasha Denona Mini Retro palette. I'm very good at giving you the updates on the That's Expensive project pan. I do them every month or every 5 weeks. So I need to be learning to I mean, I'm using this, I'm quite clearly using it, but I'm not giving you the updates. That's obvious to see. I've really gone in and looked at my YouTube channel and nothing's there. But, oops, close. But with this, I've been using it in live stream as well, so I'm going to try and get the videos for that as well, just in case you want to hop over there and check some of the live streams out. And if you are new here and you don't know that I do live streams, I do them every night, so it's normally around 8 PM UK time. I would love to see you over there if you can make it. If not, I do longer form content like this. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. If you've not already subscribed, please do so. Please share and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.